Welcome to our Seashell channel. I'm Mary Rivera Messina from Philippines. I'm your Seashell florist artist for today. I'm creating Seashell art for 25 years now. Please support handicraft industry in Philippines. We can customize any design you want. Just send a message. And for today, DIY, we will create this beautiful seashell flower arrangement like this.
Hi, I'm Grace, your virtual instructor for today's DIY. Tools needed: wire cutter, scissor, cutter, styro ball, masking tape, glue gun and glue stick, floral wire, floral tape, white glue and sand. Distoria reculata, tortilla, strawberry conch heart shape, artificial flower stamen, bear conch and strawberry conch mid-cut shell. Glue the bear conch shell into the bottom of Distoria reculata. Cut the styro ball on your desired size that fit inside the shell. Cover the wire using Floral Tape. Cut the wire on your desired length. Insert wire into the strawberry conch mid-cut shell, then bend and twist it so that it will hold. Glue tortilla shell into the tip of the wire. Tape the artificial flower stamen into the tip of the wire. Glue the strawberry conch heart shape into the wire. Feel free to arrange the seashell flower and stem. And we are done. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoy me as your virtual instructor for today. See you again in our next seashell DIY. Please like, share and subscribe. Comment below your request DIY. Take care everyone from me, Grace and Mary. Love lots. Stay creative.